Juliette's room reveal. This thing here is from IKEA. And these silk play rings are from Bella Luna Toys. And that's a collection of all of the kids' stuffed animals, but it's just in here. And her room looks like this. And I'll get closer. So there's her crib, and that is a convertible crib. It can turn into like a toddler bed, and then it can also turn into a twin bed with headboard and footboard. So let's start over here. That's just her monitor. This beautiful rug I got from Amazon. I think it was like $35. I'm very excited to have this rug. It's so pretty. And this is her brand new kitchen that we also got from Bella Luna Toys. The makers are Elves and Angels, and you can order from their website directly, or you can get their stuff at Bella Luna Toys as well. And then I have a painting, Claude Monet, and her fairy lights up there on her closet. And so in here, we put her dresser, just for more space. And there's some clothes here and then some storage up here. And then on this side, the cat, we have her toy stand. So we've got a bunch of toys up here, her food toys. The dinosaurs are supposed to be here, but I think that's upstairs. And she has like her Lincoln Logs here, some books, some toys. Her little people toys are here and in here. And there's the airplane and the barn, and we have the car and stuff. And then that's her car mat, which is basically just a map of like a town, which is really cute. Then moving over here, this is a table by KidCraft. And it's supposed to look like this, okay, like a natural color. Malibu, no. Yeah, no. Exactly why I just said no. Anyways, it was supposed to look like this, natural, and it comes quite yellow. If you can tell the difference, you can see both of those. So I was a little upset about that, but you know, it's still a great table. 4 little chairs, and I set it up with her little fruit basket. IKEA, 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 IKEA. Obviously, happy, however you want to say that. And these just hold pictures, but I don't. Did you want me to open the window? Is that what you did? Twice! Almost knocked this over. Okay, the cat wants me to open the window. Shade, okay. Anyways, this holds a picture, but I just like that it's a wooden animal. And so that's why those are in here. And this is her alphabet board, like a canvas type thing. And I just thought I'd put that in here. Oh man. Cat? Okay, you're gonna go there. Then we have her Grimm's fairy tale book right here with the cute little ribbon and the gold pages, it looks like. So she has a little radio back here that we have like a CD of kids songs that she loves. And we have this sideways just so it doesn't fall over. Not going to attach it to the wall, so it's safer if it's sideways. This little rocking chair is so cute, and it was given to us by one of Mike's coworkers, and it also happens to be KidCraft. So that's pretty cool. And this is our moose from IKEA. Unfortunately, it is broken, so I think Mike is going to take it off of here and figure out how to do something with that and then put it back. So, but she can still sit on it, I guess. One of her little baby pictures. Obviously, she still has to have a diaper change, so that is why this is in here. So this was a puzzle that I put together because I love the mushrooms, I love the nature, I love this teal color. And a sweet little bird and a butterfly. And it was really fun to put together. And there's mushrooms of all colors. Kind of looks like a pumpkin or something. But anyways, love this picture. And then you can come over here. And these are shutters for like outdoor windows. But I went cheap and got a plastic kind. So my husband had to like really secure it to the wall, which we probably were not supposed to do. So don't tell my landlord. Anyways, so you can just put books in here like that. And just kind of cute. Isla colored this for Juliette, so I thought that was cute. And I think I had another book here, but she took it. But that's another thing, you kind of have to be careful because you have to put thin books in there for it to fit, but then you also don't want them handling thin books because 2-year-olds just rip things. Okay, and then we have some more IKEA. These are postcards, and I just think they're so cute. It's just interesting illustration. I like it a lot, and it's animals. I just thought they were cute. And I don't think I put these here. I think Scarlet maybe or Isla. And so I just left it. I mean, whatever. So yeah, that is her room. Cat, rug, like literally, that's my favorite spot. It's adorable. And last thing is a Norman Rockwell plaque. I just thought that was really sweet. And then here is a full bathroom. Obviously she doesn't use it. All right. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Bye.